When you open Kaizen for the first time, the landing page sets the tone. This isn't another productivity app that blocks the internet. We built it because we're students who struggle with focus ourselves. And we wanted something that helps, not restricts. You sign in and land on your personal dashboard, and Kaizen greets you. But right now, it's quiet. No active focus yet. So let's get to it. Download the extension, install it, and connect it with a single click. No friction, and you're ready. Say you want to learn about the wonders of the world. You start a focus session, and Kaizen quietly starts working. It doesn't just track which websites you visit. It understands where your attention goes, what you read, how you scroll, what you spend time on. This becomes a real-time signal of your cognitive attention across text, images, and even YouTube. If you pause on an image, Kaizen generates a caption. If you read for a while, it builds live summaries, helping you remember what you explored. If you multitask, Kaizen handles that too. It tracks parallel focus without slowing you down. And if you drift away or doom scroll, Kaizen gently nudges you. No blocking, just awareness. At any point, you can chat with your multi-agentic co-pilot, one that actually understands what you've been doing. Ask it to summarize, rephrase, or reflect. The answers are grounded in your real activity, not generic responses. Back on the dashboard, your reading sessions turn into quick quizzes to reinforce learning. You also see a visual map of your learning journey over time. Kaizen tracks your cognitive patterns too, like fragmentation and late-night focus. It doesn't judge you, but helps you understand yourself better. There's even a small plant that grows with your focus time. From reading speed to focus thresholds, everything is customizable. And because it runs on Agentic systems, we built it with full observability using 𝐂𝐻𝐿. Every prompt, every agent action, every trace is visible. Guardrails keep things safe, anonymizers protect your data, and we utilize 𝐂𝐻𝐿's prompt library to help keep Kaizen improving. Your data stays secure, the system stays transparent. Kaizen isn't about blocking the internet or punishing yourself for losing focus. It's about understanding your attention and gently, continuously getting better. That's Kaizen. Thanks for watching.